I built an AI tool website without coding. What if you could launch your own online tool without writing a single line of code? Not a mock-up, not a fake demo, an actual working website. Today I'm testing whether AI can realistically replace a big part of the website creation process.
Welcome back to Nextcope AI, your shortcut to the smartest tool on the market.
Today we're back with Hostinger Horizons, but this time, instead of building a passive income content site, I want to test something more practical. Can AI help us build a simple online tool from scratch? Because normally, creating software means developers, UI design, back-end setup, hosting, and a lot of technical work. But Horizons is trying to simplify that process into one AI workflow, so let's test it. For this example, I'm going to create a simple AI prompt generator website for creators. The idea is users choose a category like YouTube, TikTok, or marketing, and the website generates prompts automatically. So inside Horizons, I'll describe the idea directly. Something like, create a modern AI prompt generator website with categories, dark UI, responsive design, user input fields, copy buttons, and a clean creator-focused interface. Generate. And again, what stands out immediately is how fast the AI structures the project. Now we can see the AI generating pages, sections, buttons, menus, layouts, and interactive elements. And instead of manually editing everything block by block, I can just continue refining the project through prompts. For example, add neon accents, create a dashboard layout, improve mobile responsiveness, add login and pricing sections. And the AI keeps updating the project live. This honestly feels much closer to collaborating with an AI assistant than using a traditional builder. Now, realistically, this won't replace professional developers for huge SaaS platforms, but for MVPs, landing pages, small tools, client projects, and testing ideas. This is extremely useful because the biggest problem most people have is not creativity, it's execution. They have ideas, but they never build them because the technical barrier is too high. Here, you can validate concepts much faster. And again, the monetization angle is important because if your tool solves a real problem and gets traffic, you can monetize it with AdSense, affiliate links, subscriptions, or lead generation. And Hostinger Horizons makes that workflow much easier compared to traditional setups. Instead of managing hosting, CMS plugins, developers, and deployment separately, everything is centralized. Now let me quickly show you the actual setup workflow. So once your project idea is ready, you can head to the pricing section and choose the Horizons plan depending on the type of website or tool you want to launch. Then during checkout, you can apply my code directly. I'll use the code NEXTCOPE here for 10% off the Horizons plans. And honestly, compared to paying separately for hosting, developers, plugins, and design tools, this workflow is much simpler for beginners, especially if your goal is testing ideas quickly without wasting weeks building everything manually. Honestly, what I like most here is the speed. You can go from idea, prototype, live website very quickly. And for creators or entrepreneurs testing online business ideas, that matters a lot, especially now when AI tools are making it easier than ever to launch projects independently. Overall, Hostinger Horizons feels like one of the more practical AI builders I've tested recently, not because it magically replaces everything, but because it removes a huge amount of friction from the creation process. And for people who want to launch websites, tools, or side projects fast, that's valuable. If you want to try Hostinger Horizons yourself, check the link in the description. You can also use my code NEXTCOPE for 10% off all Horizons plans. And let me know what kind of AI tool or website you'd build first.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart AI tools. This is Nextcope AI. See you in the next one.